I want to thank you so much for your inquiry on the 2012 GMC Savannah cutaway van that I have here in my inventory. I've got the vehicle running. I'm going to start with it here in the engine. Engine is extremely clean. Purring like a kitten. See if we can walk the vehicle here. Step back. Frontal view. Pull out and get a good side view. Got great wheels and tires. Undercarriage here. Roll up windows. AM, FM, CD player, heat and air. The vehicle has 155,570 miles. 155,570 miles as it sits. Leather seats. Say great tires, wheels, undercarriage. Step up bumper. Let's see if I can open this and do the camera at the same time. Here's the inside of the box. View from the passenger side. New tires all the way around. Undercarriage of the vehicle. Wheels. View from the passenger side. Front passenger tire underneath the vehicle. Once again, this is Miguel Patterson with Car One. My direct number is 615-490-2807. That's 615-490-2807. Thanks again.